Welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit and Making Money Online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, YouTuber, online marketer. Welcome. If this is your first time to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, share it with your friends and family, and most of all, feel free to make a comment if you like. Welcome. Just surpassed 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Hey, today is going to be a quick video. If you guys have followed me, this is a lot of you guys know that I'm coming up on. Well, actually, I just passed my 2-year mark of being a YouTuber and trying to make money online. And really, I really been doing the last couple videos, really trying to save you guys some hassle from some of the stuff that I had to go through this whole experience. Before I jump into that, first of all, this is not my music. Little jazz station playing in the back. Don't want to get sued. But listen, do not start a YouTube channel without two tools, and that's VidIQ and TubeBuddy. And you know, TubeBuddy is I think the latest one, and I think a lot of people are really high on TubeBuddy, and I am too. It's incredible. Saves you so many hassles, like endscreens, management stuff that you do, thumbnails. It's just a lot of stuff you could do with it. Unbelievable. I used to get so frustrated when I would, even when I had 5-6 videos, go back and do description stuff. I would have to go back to each one. Well, you don't have to do any of that with TubeBuddy, and it's pretty incredible. So don't start a YouTube channel without the tools. And my suggestion would be is, look, I understand free. You know, when you're starting out, you try not to spend a whole lot of money. But I tell you, you're gonna run out of capabilities what you're able to do. So my thing would just, you don't have to get the top level, but go in just. You know, you can start with the free, but move right away up, because you're gonna run out pretty quick on what you could do at the free level on either one, and graduate to the next one up right away, because it's gonna help you. It's gonna make things so much easier for you. I think when I got started doing it, I maybe went without a year without tools, which is totally ridiculous. So don't start a YouTube channel without TubeBuddy and VidIQ. What I like about VidIQ, I think there's some of the keyword stuff is different actually, and I have both of them on. And if you don't know, they're Chrome extensions, but I have them both on mine, and I can kind of judge. And this is a little hack I'm giving you guys. I could kind of see which one's working better for me in certain instances. So I would say low hack for you, you know, whether you do TubeBuddy or VidIQ. But and I want to say they both are very reasonable. Both are, you know, have a free trial and then you have to pay. And splitting hairs with the cost, I'm not overly concerned about that. It's a few dollars between the two. But once again, TubeBuddy does a whole lot more than VidIQ, but I like VidIQ. And play with it, go through them, figure out the things that you like about both, and but don't start a YouTube channel or try to do this thing without them. Put it this way, I've been doing this thing for a couple years, and I think I just got my 15th #1 topic on YouTube, ranking #1, which is crazy, over thousands of videos. And YouTube and VidIQ helped me to get to that. And look, if you want to do a one-on-one with me and a full tutorial, down in the description I'll always put my my one-on-one coaching if you want to sign up with me. If you want to circumvent a whole lot of brain damage and get to #1 on whatever subject you're working on, I can help you do that. So but look, quick video, TubeBuddy, VidIQ. Don't do it without those two. But Tony, making sense of credit, making sense of online marketing, making sense of making money online. Until next time, guys. Peace. It's a little drop you a little info. Next time.